whatever string I have accepted from keyboard, it is actually present in str reference, isn't it?
Right.
So that
Yes.
str is going to be reversed in the coming with coming time. You know that str is going to be changed with the help of string buffer. Before that str being passed to string buffer, I want to retrieve the original one. I want to keep a copy. I want to maintain a copy of.
Okay. Yeah.
Isn't it? Before going for modification,
Yes.
I want, for example, see, a house is under renovation, for instance. It's a very old house, okay, historical house, for example. So they will take some Pixar mat for that.
Yes. Yes.
To restore the old, what you call, old beliefs, something like that. So here also, I just want to store one copy of that. Whatever string I'm entering is passed to str, but that str I want to maintain one copy of that inside temp. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I'm doing like this. That's why I'm doing like this. You understand the statement? What I have done? So whatever str,
yes, we have stored str to temp.
That is, for example, Malayalam I am accepting from keyboard here. Okay, that Malayalam is stored again in temp. So how many copies we are having now? 2 copies. One copy is the original, that is str. That original is going to be undergone with some modifications. That is, it is going to be reversed. And you know how to reverse a string, of course. Is it not? So for that matter, you have to convert the string into string buffer. Is it buffer? Let us convert that. So let me write a comment like convert the string into string buffer. Yes, string buffer. Fine. So how to convert, string buffer? We have to take string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer within bracket str semicolon. Done. So that str, the original string, whichever you have accepted, that is retrieved as a duplicate one in terms of temp, and then the original one is passed to string buffer for some modification purpose. Some operations I am going to do on that. What operation you know already, that is nothing but reverse. Now let us reverse that string. Now reverse the string in string buffer only, not in string. It is no more in string. It is part of string buffer now, actually. Right. So that I want to reverse. You know how to reverse? Yesterday also we have pretty simple.
We have to append it.
SP dot reverse direct. Because it is part of that now. See, it is part of string buffer now. Needn't append. Otherwise you can append, but here directly as an argument I passed. You can see here.
Okay.
Yesterday also I have done one application, I think, by initializing Ram Gopal Verma inside string buffer. I have initialized. In a similar way, here also I have done str. I passed as an argument. Now see, sp dot reverse, simple procedure for reversing a string. That is done. Now, after reversing, convert the string buffer into a string. I reversed it now. Already I reversed it. But see, it is in which format? String buffer format. Is it not? For example, I have taken bat. I have taken bat, not Malayalam. I have taken bat. If you reverse bat, what will it become? Tab. Tab, no? That a tab is stored in string class object or string buffer class object. Tab, I am talking about.
Buffer.
Exactly. But I am unable to compare tab with the bat because bat is a string class object, as you know, temp. It is in temp. But a tab is a string buffer object. How can I compare? It is not possible. I have to get the original shape back now. Isn't it? I have to get the original shape back. So how to get something like encryption, decryption has taken place. I mean, encrypted it is encrypted to string buffer. Now I have to decrypt to string class again for comparison purpose. So how to compare that? How to get back that shape? Convert the string buffer Convert the string buffer into a string. I will make a comment to understand. Convert string buffer. Convert a string buffer into a string.
Right.
Into a string. So how to convert? There is one method. I want to retrieve inside str that whatever conversion I am making. sb dot to string. To string is a method. What is the purpose of string? It will convert from string buffer to string. See, the meaning itself is telling to string. Very easy to remember. See how easy it is to remember in Java. To string. It converts from other format, that is in string buffer format, because the object which I have taken here is sp, and toString is a non-static method present in string buffer class. Okay. It is also a non-static method. How to invoke that? sb dot string buffer object sb dot toString. By using toString, what I am doing here, I am converting that string back into string shape from string buffer. Now it is ready for comparison with the old string, that is temp. Now compare the original string. I will make a comment. Compare the original string. Original string with what? Original string available in what? Available
string buffer.
In temp. Available in temp. Available in temp. To what? To the reverse string. To the reverse string is in str, isn't it? To the otherwise to reverse string. To reverse string, that is within bracket I will write. What is that? str. One is temp, the other one is str. So temp is originally it is a duplicate copy for str, and it is its origin is with string only. You can see in the coding also. Its original shape is in string only. But the other one underwent, even str is the original string, but it underwent some operations internally, is it not? So what are the operations which we have seen? Reverse. Spelling mistake. Yeah. REVRSC, is it right? Yeah. So we have it has underwent some operations, like it has been reversed. Before reversing, it has been converted into string buffer object. That bat has underwent operation here, like reverse operation. Before that, it has converted into string buffer object. Now again, I retrieved. Luckily, we are having toString method, and we converted that back into string. Now eligible for comparison. For comparison, already we used equals method. You remember that? Equals. But other than equals, there is one more method, because if I use equals, it is okay. See, I will explain with equals first. Then the problem with equals, I will explain. Wait. Temp dot equals, already we used equals in the past in a similar way. Equals str. Yes. Now I am comparing these two. See what is going to happen. Then wait. Let me put in if condition. I already put if temp dot equals str. Then what should be displayed? System dot
equal.
Yeah, exactly. System dot out dot print. Temp is a palindrome. Temp is a palindrome. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Temp. Or otherwise str is a palindrome. That also you can write, but temp is the original shape now. I mean, of course, the other one has been gone to other shapes. So many conversions has taken place for that. Temp plus concatenation is a palindrome. Is a palindrome. Done. Else it is not a palindrome. It's very simple. But the problem with this method I will explain. Else temp is not a palindrome. Paste is not a palindrome. Here is not a palindrome. Okay, fine. Coding is okay, but see the kind of problem we are going to see here with this. Wait. It is loading into memory. Yeah. Enter a string. Enter a string. I will go with Malayalam. If you reverse that again, you'll get Malayalam now.
Malayalam. Yes.
Malayalam is not a palindrome. Why? Equals temp dot equals str. Temp dot equals. So temp dot equals str. It is not working. Let me go with the one more time. Wait. Equals. Ignore. Malayalam. Is the spelling correct? Malayalam. Correct only. Okay. Yes. It has to work with equals also. I don't know why it is not working. Okay, let us check this. Now again I am entering. Is it palindrome? It is working now? Now it is working. Wait, I will give some space. Equals is not working, I think. Equals is not working here. See, you can check. I thought that equals is going to work, but it is going to see. For example, if I write a capital letter, it has to work or not. If I write a capital letter, it has to work now. See what I am doing. If I go with the simple equals, the problem is, see, M A L A Y A L A M. If you reverse, you are going to get reverse capital letter na. Last letter is capital. Yes. If I reverse, last letter is going to be capital letter. It doesn't work for me. So even irrespective of case, whether you go with uppercase or lowercase, it should be matching. That's why we have taken equals, ignore case. But equals should work, but it is not working. Let me check one more time. Equals. This should work. Let me check one more time. See, I will write. Capital M I should not write. We have write small. Yeah, it is working. Working na? Previously I don't know what happened. It is working fine. I don't know what I have done. So equals is working, but the problem is if I start with a capital letter, it is going to fail or not? Tell me. Yes. For example, M-A-D-A-M, madam. First M is capital letter. It is going to fail. It's not a palindrome. It is showing. Right. It is absolutely a palindrome, but it is showing it is not a palindrome. That's why other than equals, one more is there. That is equals ignore case. Ignore case. That works perfectly. C capital letter, I capital letter. Every word should start with capital. Na? That's why. Yeah. So now it works fine. Even capital you take, no worry. You'll get. That's it. It's a palindrome. If I take any other string, bat if I take, no. Tab will come out. So it is not a palindrome. Bat. Bat is not a palindrome. Yes. Got it? Got it fine? Yes. So this is one more thing. And now let me get back to strings concepts. Let me explain some more issues regarding the strings. Okay. I will open Word document and I would like to explain through diagrams what exactly is this string and all these things. Wait. Insert. Can you see Word document? Yes, I can. Okay, fine. Let's see. Some attractive diagrams I will draw here. Beside that, another one I want to put here. It's also like this. Okay, fine. Now see. I have taken a string like this. In the beginning stage, I told you now. There are two ways of creating a string. I told you earlier. String str. One is equal to. For instance, I am taking Rahul. Okay, I am taking Rahul here, and the semicolon is there. See, what exactly JVM does is that the moment I have done this, and before that, this is called as string pool actually. Let me explain through diagram. Okay. Very interesting concept, and entry questions are hidden in that. That's why. Okay. This area I am talking about. This. I should reverse this, not like this. It's like this I should take. Yes. This internal area is called as string pool. String pool.
Okay.
That area is known as string pool. String pool. And the external area is there now. That is called as heap. That is called as heap. This external area I'm talking. This particular area is known as heap. Heap. Very clear. So this is string pool and this is heap. I will increase the size of this. Just a minute. I have to add some objects internally. Increase the size of this like this. Fine. So here, whenever you do in this way of declaring, I mean initializing a string, like a string, I told earlier, string literal is created now.
Yes.
String literal, I use this word most frequently, string literal.
Right.
So this is the thing which is happening here. Okay, fine. Okay, understood? So whenever I do like this, before doing this, before creation of this string literal, there is no Rahul inside a string pool. Okay, so whenever you are creating string literal, obviously that Rahul string is there now, that is pasted here. Immediately goes to string pool like this. Add text. Yeah, here I can write. What is that string? Rahul. Rahul object is created. Rahul string is created like that. Okay, got it? Now see what I am doing. So before that, there is nothing in string pool. Whenever you do like that, like whenever you create a string literal like that, obviously inside string buffer pool or string pool, we can call it as, inside string pool, Rahul is created. Rahul string is created. Okay.
Okay.
Now see what I am doing again. Again, I am doing same step one more time. String str2 is equal to new in a different style. I am doing
New string. Okay.
string, yeah, new string. This is different. So as an argument, again I am passing Rahul. Okay.
Okay.
Now strings are very important in Java. You know that, because whatever we accept, it will be constant. They are playing a predominant role in Java.
Right.
Isn't it? That's why we have to take utmost care while utilizing their memory. Is it not? Strings, everywhere strings. So JVM should work efficiently. More strings, more duplicate values we should not place inside. That is a technique. They have taken utmost precautions. James Gosling has taken utmost precautions. Like again, if some silly thing has happened again like this, again if somebody is creating a string like this, so immediately JVM will come into picture. It will check once. It goes through this string pool once, whether Rahul string is there already, it is existing or not. But here luckily it is already existing or not.
Yes, it is.
It is there. This is string pool and Rahul is there present already. Already Rahul is there, because see, I can diagrammatically represent. Better I represent like this. This one, str1. When str1 is done, this is done. I'm telling you. Okay. When str1 is done, it is done. So JVM will search inside string pool, and if any string object by name Rahul is already there, then it won't create another object. Is it not?
Yes.
So obviously it will create only one object inside heap. This is heap. So forget about this step. Directly I have gone like this. Directly I have gone like this. Okay. Now what is happening? Let me explain. Then I will come back to the next point. See, directly I am not doing this. Okay. I am not doing this. I have gone like this first. Now point number one. What is happening is two objects are created. Two objects. First object is in object one. Object 1 is inside string pool. Inside string pool. And object 2 is inside heap. Got that?
Okay.
Two
Yeah.
objects are created. If you are using this standard like this, a standard like this, you are able to create two objects simultaneously. One inside string pool, the other one in the heap. It is also in memory area, storage area. Fine. But again, if I intentionally create another string object like this, string str3, any style, whatever it may be, str3 is equal to, again, if I do like Rahul, again, one more time, same object like this, if I do, what is going to happen? See. So again, if I do like this, let me take that arrow mark again, indicator. Yeah. Here, what is happening? str2 already object is there now. Earlier created, it will point to that only. New object is not created. And here also, already object is there. JVM will look, yeah, it is there. Why should I go with another object? It is there. It will say. Got that? But additionally, in this style of practice, what is happening is, additionally, one object is created in heap also. In heap also, one object is created, like Rahul here. Here inside that one, external one. I cannot write here. Okay, I will do one thing. I will write here itself. You understand? Externally also, one Rahul is created. Rahul object here inside heap. This belongs to heap.
Okay.
So that is the difference.
Okay.
So why they have done? I told you, to utilize memory resources properly.
Right.
I want to say, to efficiently use memory. JavaSoft people have designed a string literal like that. So which is the best practice? Going with the string literal is better practice, because you need not waste memory every time. If you create one object, from next time onwards, whenever you do repeatedly with the other references, they all point to the same object. Got that?
Okay.
That is Rahul.
Yes.
Again and again, repeatedly. If it is not there, it will create an object inside string pool. First preference is string pool. Second is, if you go in second style like that, and additionally an object is created in heap also. But reference will be always internal one. Always believe that the reference will be always the internal one. Okay, fine. Now I will explain this through one program. I told you one thing, like string objects are immutable. Okay.
Right.
Let me clarify that also with a program.
Okay.
Let me clarify. Wait. String mutability. String mutability. Okay, that is a program which I am doing. Let us check the mutability of strings. Okay, fine. Very simple application, but so much logic is there in that. I have taken one string by name Rahul. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Rahul I have taken. I want to concat Rahul with Dravid. How can I do that?
Okay.
str dot concat. Concat is a parameterized method. You can pass Dravid inside that.
Yeah.
Like this I can do. Done?
Yes.
Done? Yes. So now I want to see what is there inside str. I want to see what is there in str. So obviously I have to type like this. Is it not? Can you guess the output now? Can you guess the output now? What will be there inside str?
Rahul.
Rahul is the correct answer. Not Rahul.
Yeah.
Why? Right. Because string objects are Immutable. Strings will not be
Yes.
modified. Strings will not be modified. So again, you'll get Rahul only. Wait, I will execute this. See the answer? What is there?
Yeah, Rahul.
So I joined Rahul with Dravid, but still inside str, original is original. That is Rahul only is there. There is no Dravid there.
Right.
But if I want to see Dravid, how to do that? See what I am doing again. Inside this, let me add this portion. Not semicolon, this portion. Here. Yes, paste. Yes. Now you can guess. Because I am displaying all this concatenation. It is not str. It is not matter of str. To str, something else is joined. But str is str.
Right.
Str is only Rahul only alone. That's it. Got it? Now see.
Yes.
That is going to be Rahul Dravid here.
Okay.
Yes. Let me check. Working?
Yes.
Now another twist in that. See, another twist. str is equal to, already str is there. Again, I am reallocating that str. str is equal to str dot concat that Dravid again I am writing. Yes. I am putting a semicolon at the end. Now you can guess. What is the output?
Rahul Dravid.
Yeah, total output you will get. Because str is reassigned. Na? It is reassigned. Yes. Already str Rahul is there. You have concatenated that with Dravid and totally you are putting in str. Is it not?
Yes.
Still you have to believe that str is Rahul only. In the beginning str is Rahul. But here object is changed totally. That Rahul will be there still. Object will be there. But again you are establishing. I mean you are referring in a str reference. Another object is created.
Yes.
Eventually, you are ending with the two objects here. One is Rahul, the other one is Rahul Dravid. And str is referring one time to Rahul and currently to Rahul Dravid. That is the reference.
Okay.
Got that point? And now let us see the output in str. Previously, str means Rahul only came. But now, str is
Rahul Dravid.
But still, don't forget, Rahul object is there in the pool. In the pool, it is there. It never goes until that garbage collector comes and sweeps away from the memory. I told you, garbage collector, mark and sweep mechanism. Yes, exactly. See this. Now got it?
Yes.
That is how it works. That's why you can confirmedly say that string objects are
immutable.
Yes, exactly. String objects are immutable. Immutable, na?
Yeah.
Unmodifiable.
Yeah.
Yes. But string buffer objects are
mutable.
So let me go with string buffer also here. Let me check whether it works or not. I never tried, but let me check once. String buffer sp is equal to string buffer. What is the object? Rahul I am taking. This time I will go with Sachin, otherwise. Fine. And then, but concat cannot be applied. I think. Let me check. It cannot be applicable here. sp dot. What is it? Which I have done earlier. str dot like sp dot concat Tendulkar. Concat may not apply like this. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is showing mistake. You cannot do like that. The method concat is undefined for the type string buffer, but because it is undefined, you cannot do. So if you refer API, tomorrow I'm going to send some applications to you. Small applications, very small, very little applications. We can understand from that also. And of course, I need not write this program. Reverse. How did you reverse? Using string class or string buffer class? String buffer
StringBuffer.
only, na? That's why
Yes.
string buffer objects are mutable. But string
Mutable.
objects are,
Okay.
just now we have seen, string objects are immutable.
Immutable.
Yes, exactly. Now, so many applications are there, like one more I will give. Taking one string. If you want to trim a string, you can trim also. See,
Okay.
string str1 is equal to, I am typing Bangalore, but I am giving some space like this. One O, I think. One O or double O? I don't remember.
One no.
Okay, fine. Now I am
Yeah.
putting semicolon. Yeah, but it is not in correct position. Some unwanted space is there here and there.
Right.
I
Yeah.
just want to remove that. So for that matter, there is one method. Java is full of methods. Trim, but very easy to remember those methods. I want to apply
Yes.
one non-static method by name trim. Trimming those unnecessary spaces. Spaces will be trimmed. Now let us execute this. Like this, so many miss. Now you can see. And before
Yeah.
trimming, let us
Okay.
observe. Before trimming, how it looks. Let us see that also. Before trimming, also I will show you. See how it looks. It looks
Yeah.
awkward, but now it
Logic.
looks
Yeah.
good. It looks good now. So that is the effect of trim. So many methods are there like that. Okay, and one more is there.
Sure.
Like I want to display Bangalore from G, that character G only, or otherwise from the character N. See, substring. There is one method called as substring. I will explain that.
Okay.
Str1 dot sub. Two words put together, but this is one method which both words start with a small letter only. I told now majority
Okay.
methods second word onwards capital letter will be there, but rare
Yeah.
cases at times you will get something like that also. So substring, what I am doing, see, from 0th position I want every element, but only three positions I want. Three means BAN, BAN, that's it. Ban, 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 that's it.
BANG.
No, no
Yeah.
G.
Yeah. Yeah.
Three means, see,
Yeah.
zero means starting
Yes.
from B, but ending it, only
Yes.
three characters should be there. BAN, ban.
Right.
That's it.
Okay.
Now we'll check. And one more. Let me check this first. Where is that? Where has it gone? It should come. System dot out dot. Any mistake there? str1. Okay, in str1, what are there? Spaces are there,
Yeah.
na?
Spaces.
That is the
Exactly.
problem.
Yeah.
Let me go with str. Otherwise, str is there. Rahul is there, na? Or
Yes.
Rahul Dravid, whatever it may be. So let us check for STR. Means the latest it is Rahul Dravid. That STR is referring to Rahul Dravid, na? So RAH will come out. RAH should come out, na? We'll check that.
Yes.
Yes, working fine. Means started from zero, ended with the three characters. Only three characters.
Right.
Size is 3. And next,
Okay.
I want to display entire string from 0 to any location. You can start from any location and you can display. That also I will show
Okay.
you. Wait, copy. I want to start from 0 and all the locations I want to display. Every entire string. I want to see whether it is Rahul or Rahul Dravid. It will be Rahul Dravid. Yes. Got it? But if I start from
Yes.
second location I have to start. 0, 1,
H.
2. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay.
That's how it works.
Yeah.
So many such small miscellaneous methods are there. I will put in notes and give to you. Okay.
Sure.
But
Yeah.
there are three classes actually. I will show you that. Wait. I will show you in my notes itself. Some classification is there. Just a second. Today also I send notes, I think, strings.
Yes.
Notes, whichever I have sent to others, it is there actually. Just 1 second, one call I have to attend.
Sure.
Hello, yes, Taman? Yes. Okay. For Taman, shares Tamankar. Okay. Right now also I am in class, ma'am, actually. Can I call you after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, something like that? Because right now I am in Java class actually. That's it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. C++ call.
Okay.
Okay. Just a second. Strings. Today I sent, I think, for you.
Yes.
Today I sent, but in that diagram is not there. Yesterday's notes it is there. Yeah, I shared that with you. This is yesterday's notes, na? Yesterday's notes also I sent, I think.
Yes.
Yesterday I did not send. I did not remember yesterday whether I sent to you or not.
No, today you had included already.
I did not remember whether I sent short notes or detailed notes. I did not remember because so many batches are there and I'm getting confused every time. In this, it is not there, I think. Just a minute. One table is there regarding that. I have added later on. Just a minute. I will pull out that table. Somewhere I have got that. Yes, somewhere it is here. Yeah. Can you see my screen now? Can you see?
Yes.
In this, can you see here? String buffer, string builder. 3 classes are there. Okay?
Okay.
Just like string, already I introduced string buffer to you.
Yes.
String buffer and string builder, 3 classes are there. So what is the difference? Just one more call.
Sure.
So string buffer and string builder, 3 classes are there.
Okay.
And I categorically divided, little differences between string and string buffer, but at another class is there string builder, not that much usable, but it is there. See, as far as storage is concerned, I told you earlier, string, it is stored in string pool. But string buffer, it is stored in heap. String builder, heap. And whereas mutability is concerned, string objects are immutable. String buffer objects are
mutable.
You know that already. I told you, reverse and all these things are working. And how they are immutable, just now I proved. Can you recollect that? With Rahul Dravid, I proved that. String objects are immutable. I have taken str. Inside str, I have taken Rahul. And again, I tried to concat that with Dravid. It happened or not? No, it doesn't happen. Because we cannot modify string objects. That is the problem. Again, in str, original object Rahul itself is there. That is why string objects are immutable. But internally, concat method is going to call another method called as append. I told this story to you.
Append. Yes.
Append is part of string buffer. That is going to modify all these things. That's why string buffer objects are mutable, but string objects are immutable. Just now I proved string objects mutable or immutable. I proved just now through a program. For that I have taken str. Str is equal to Rahul, and again str dot concat Dravid I have typed. But again, if I say system dot out dot println str, you are able to get Rahul or Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid.
No. Here just now I showed Wait. I'll show you again. Initially, I have taken, see, in the beginning, what I have taken? Rahul I have taken. Then I have added. Then if I display str, is Rahul coming or Rahul Dravid coming?
Rahul.
Means what is happening internally? Means what is happening?
See, it is not considering.
It is not modifying. I tried to modify, I attempted to modify Rahul through Rahul to Rahul Dravid. But unfortunately, is it modified?
No.
Is it modified? See, STR. But STR should come as Rahul Dravid, but only Rahul came. Means what happened internally? That's it.
It's not. Yeah.
So originally is there still. When I retrieved STR, I cannot get Rahul Dravid. I got only Rahul. String objects are immutable, isn't it?
Okay.
Again, I tried a different way to display. But inside STR, I am not displaying here. Here it is not the matter of inside STR. Here it is the matter of inside STR. Isn't it? That is how. That is why. That's what I am talking. Here it is. So string objects are immutable, string buffer objects are mutable, and string builder is also. String buffer and string builder are having close resemblances. See, first point same, second point same, third point only difference is there. Third and fourth points. Third and fourth also very important points. I will prove that. Thread safe. Thread safe means see. Actually, in threads concept, thread is nothing but a subprogram. Means if you are working on a program consists of so many classes, subclasses, methods, variables, isn't it? So all these can be considered as threads, small parts, small subprograms internally. So when you are working on multi-threaded environment, what do you mean by multi-threaded environment? I told earlier, Java is multi-threaded. I told now. In the buzzwords, I told you. Explain buzzwords. Java is dynamic. Java is simple. Java is robust. Java is multi-threaded. What is that multi-threaded? So I told one example also at that time. For example, you are chatting with me. I got a call all of a sudden. I attended to some student's parent actually. So I asked you to hold on. Please hold on. I will come back. At the same time, you are not shutting down, you are not logging out, isn't it? You are just minimizing maybe. At the same time, if it is going to run for 3 or 4 minutes, then obviously you can do some other job at the same time.
Yes, you had given example of internet.
That's what I'm talking.
Multiple tasks.
So in multi-threaded programming, this string buffer is very handy. Okay. It is very efficient in multi-threading. But strings, no chance for thread programs. It can't survive. But string builder, single threaded environment only it will work. Less duty. Only one job only it can resist. But multiple threads, it fails. So in threads, you are going to see this string buffer again and again, string buffer, because used in multi-threaded environment. Okay. And talking about performance is also very important now. This is safety purpose, and this is performance. So performance wise, it is very slow. String is very slow. I will prove that with some program. And execution rate is very slow. It works very slowly. But because it has to go to string pool and like that, some time taking process is there. But if you go with string buffer, it is slower than string builder, but fast enough than string. Faster than string. But string builder, on the other hand, fastest. I will prove this with some little example. Okay, with between string and a string buffer. Just a minute. I will. Just now I typed one application for other batch students. I will go with that. That is string, palindrome, reverse string, string demo, string mutability. I don't remember which program is that. String demo one, maybe. No, not that one. Concat test. This is the program which I am talking about. Just to go through this program, I'm going to execute this program. First to see the program. First see the output of the program. Then we will discuss. See the output. Output.
It is testing the time.
Which run fast. See from that. I will explain the program. First see this. String buffer 2 milliseconds. MS means milliseconds. Whereas other one 915 milliseconds. Again I will run. Again I will run. It will show you different output. Different or not? 934 milliseconds, 2 milliseconds. String buffer always 2 it is showing. This time 1010 milliseconds. Even just 1 millisecond it executed. String buffer. Got it? How fast it is. See. Now we will look at the program. You cannot see here clearly. I think I will copy this in Notepad. You can understand better than this. Just a minute. Can you see Notepad also?
Yes.
You can see the program, I think now.
Yes.
Now let us recollect the code in that. But the code looks clumsy. It seems here. This is the lengthy statement which has to. Wait, I will do one thing. I will resize that. Size I will decrease because it has placed in another line.
Yeah.
Still it is like that.
And it is not executed with main method here.
No, main method is there. Is there. Main method is there. That is not the issue.
Okay.
Okay, I will again. Just a minute.
Sure.
Sir. It is not visible, I think, na? Very small.
No, it is visible.
Just one point I will increase. Just 1 point.
Sure.
Cover the entire. Yeah, but it is changing. Control Z. Control Z means totally gone. Select it. Just a minute. I can go there itself. I think it is not an issue. I think here itself you can see. I think you can see. I think yeah.
Yes.
Now program execution starts from main method. Okay. See, where is your program? Here it is. Main method is here. Main method is here. Inside main method, first statement. Please try to understand. Current time millis is a predefined method. This current time millis. So you know the name itself is telling it is going to calculate the time in milliseconds. Okay, and it is a static method. It is a static method present in which class? System class. So current time millis is a static method present in system class. System is the name of the class now. Current time millis is a static method present in system class. Okay, fine. So its job is it is going to calculate the time in milliseconds. Now it started. Job started means it starts from zero now normally. Running encounters or something like that starts from 0 second. It started now. Now concat with the string is a static method, and moreover it is a user defined method, my own method. See here, can you see here? Concat with the string, is it there or not?
Yes.
It's a user defined method, my own method. So some code I have written in that. Is it a static method or not? Please see this static method. Yeah. So static method means class name dot I have to call like that. Is it not? But any class name is there? No class name. But still I am able to call that. How is that? How is it possible? Tell me. I told one example also to let you understand when in the beginning. See, actually it is a static method or not? Concat with the string is a static method. Generally static methods, how do you call? Class name dot. But even here I told just now, this is also static method. How you called current time millis is a static method. How you called class name dot na? You remember that static methods? How to call static methods? Class name dot. How to call non-static methods? Object dot.
Yes.
But just like current time millis, it is of course a predefined method. Moreover, it is a static one present in system class. That's why you have invoked that method as system.current_time millis. But what about here? What about here? Concat with string is also static or not?
Yes. Oh, because they're both static, we can directly call. Yeah.
Not only that, not that. See, I told one example, like your friends are staying in Bangalore. You never ask them from where you came. You never ask them.
Right.
But if I come, naturally, I'm new to you, you may ask me. from where you came.
Yes.
But here you see main method, concat with the string buffer and concat with the string. All the three methods are present in which class? Same class or not? Only one
Yes.
class is there. See, this is the class. Concat test is the name of the class, isn't it?
Yes.
It is the opening brace for that and closing brace this one. Means within only one class,
Okay.
I ran the entire program. Is it not? And
Yes.
how many methods are there? Two user-defined methods. One is concat with string, and the other one is concat
With string buffer.
buffer. Two methods are there. Two static methods. Both are user-defined or present. Other than that, main method is also present, and all of them are part of which class? Same class.
Yeah.
That's why again class name is
Okay.
not required. Class name is not required to call them. Just writing class name at the top is enough. Already they are executed. Okay, they have been executed. So whenever I am invoking this method, what does it do? Let us come back to code. And it is having a return type nature. I told now, generally you write void. In place of void, what is there here?
String.
Means it is returning what? Some string it is going to return.
String. Yeah.
Some
Okay.
string it is going to return. To whom? Who called this method? Here.
User.
Call came from here. Call came from here now.
Yeah.
Means
Yes.
control transferred to definition, and this definition is having returning nature. What is the returning nature? Return t, and t is a string or not? See, t is a string or not? That is why in place of void, what I have written here?
String.
For that point. So public static in place of void. Naturally, you know how to write. Static void you write. If non-static, you doesn't require static keyword also. Directly you go with void. Is it not? You know two things: void method name or static void method name.
Yeah.
But here static in place of void, string is there because this method is having a returning nature. What is it returning? See, return statement is there. Can you see? Return t. T is a string. That's why here string is there. If it is going to return integer, I would have written here int. Yes or no?
Okay.
If this method is going to return some integer, then I would have written int here. Isn't it? That's it. So public static string so and so. Inside that, what is done? Tell me. This is very simple code, nothing great.
Java.
String is equal to Java. Then for loop started. I initialized with 0. You know this also. 0 to 10,000 it will run. So many times it is going to run now. So every time what it is going to do here? T is equal to T plus online. Online is a string or not? Online is a string. And T is also a string or not?
Yeah.
Two strings are concatenated or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
T means Java. Online is also a string. Both the strings are joined or not?
Yeah.
And that joining, how many times I am doing? Running from 0 to 1 less than 10,000. Means 999.
999.
Means totally 1,000 obviously. I mean 10,000 obviously.
Yes.
Is it not? 9,999 times. Plus 0 time. Plus 0. 0 means 10,000 obviously.
10,000. Yes.
Because in the iteration starts from 0 now here. And running 1 less than 10,000 means 9,999 plus 0 means 10,000 times it is running. The loop is running 10,000 times. I am not displaying anything, but 10,000 times what is the action being performed here? Two strings are joined and put in T. That I am going to return. Return to what? To this method. Return to this method.
Okay.
And internally what is happening? See here. Time taken by concatenating with the string. System dot, same method I used. System dot current time milliseconds. Start time.
Okay.
Current time. So some display statement can you see here? System dot current time milliseconds hyphen start time. Here milliseconds in double quotes you'll get milliseconds. See, time taken by concatenating with the string. So system dot current time milliseconds from start time. The meaning of this is from start time.
Okay.
Start time. So from start time, this is the method name actually. Current time millis. Current time millis is the method name. From start time, you are going to calculate. Sorry, wait. Minus is start time. Start time already you have done. We have taken na. Start time is, for example, I the start time. See, 100 is the start time. Now I got 1000 here. I got 1000 here. 1000 minus that 100 you have to take away now.
Yeah.
So normally you start from 0, but already 100 seconds are over, for instance. So you have to subtract that now.
Yes.
That's why I have written. I have subtracted start time here. This is the start time now.
Okay.
This is the start time which I subtracted from that. Otherwise, if you start from 0, no problem. This minus 0, you'll get. For example, you got here 1010 milliseconds. You got. Next time, what is happening? Again start time is recorded here. You may start at see, for example, both are in running race. You started at say 3 p.m. Huh?
Okay.
I started at 4:30 p.m. What is the difference? Still, can we battle or not? Still, can we fight for prize or not?
Yes.
Like you started at 3 p.m. I started at 4:30, but still they can record our time factor or not?
Yes.
Because you started early, no problem. But I can subtract that time now. They can subtract that time.
Yeah.
And they can do some modifications. For example, from 3, if you covered in 11 seconds, it is different. From 4:30, if I covered in 10 seconds, it is different again.
Yes.
Is it not? Whatever starting time is not a problem or not? To calculate the race, calculate the race. Both need not start at same time now. So first one started at some time that is recorded in start time. And what is the data type of start time? See, long. Just like int long is also there. Long means big integer. I'm taking a very big integer. Maybe.
Okay.
Who knows? We cannot predict now because in milliseconds, some thousand which a microprocessor cannot accept. That's why I have taken with a higher version of integer that is long. That is not an issue. Just like int, long data type is also there. I utilize that. If you are not interested, you can take int also, no problem. Okay. I want to show. That's why I have taken. Long is also a data type, just like int. Got that point? Sure. So this is the start time, and with this start time, I subtracted that start time from this. Obviously, you are going to get this much. And the next thread, what about the next one? String buffer. See, inside, what is the difference between previous code and this code? This also started. See, concat with string buffer. Can you see this method call?
Yes.
Means control transfers here. Inside, what is the code? Tell me. What is the difference between previous code and this code? There,
previous code is running with string, and
this one is running with string buffer. String buffer is very fast, no? But inside same strings I have taken. There also Java, here also Java. There also online, here also online. Both strings are joined. Same job, which is doing faster. You can understand the output. Yeah, that's how you can calculate. And you need not remember these method names. You can open API. And you can search in threads concept. They are present actually in system class. In system class also you can find in system class. Okay.
Sure.
So I searched from system class and I have designed this.
Okay.
Okay. So with this, shall I close for any doubts in today's session?
Nothing as of now. I'll check and get.
Okay. I will send notes as soon as possible. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.